hit that tree.
Huh?
Watch it hit that cut tree.
I hope it does.
That'd be fucking cool.
Power's out.
Power's out?
Yep.
That doesn't take long.
Nope.
You enjoy a vacation.
Yeah, you say that now.
Huh?
You say that now. and I didn't get the bolt. I was panning the other way. God.
Did you get that one?
Yeah, and then I turned it off. It scared the shit out of me. Oh my God.
I told you you'd know if it came close by. You did. And I got this blue streak running through my eyesight.
God.
Did you get it?
Let's see. Oh, it's